Someone beautifully said that yoga is the gateway of happiness that body needs in daily life. Yoga is an ancient practice that involves physical poses, concentration, and deep breathing. Every year, International Yoga Day is celebrated on June 21st all around the world. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of yoga and its effects upon human health. Today, we are seeing that one in every five human beings suffers from some disease. Today, we have made our lifestyle such that we don't have time to keep ourselves healthy. So, in such circumstances, only yoga can keep us away from diseases. Yoga helps to give comfort to our mind and body. It has been seen many times that diseases which are not cured by taking medicines are cured easily by doing continuous yoga. Yoga is a great gift to mankind which helps us to maintain our health.
Surya Namaskar. Step 1. Stand at the head of your mat, feet together to balance your weight. Breathe in twice and expand your chest. Relax your shoulders. Now breathe in and lift up your arms up and back, keeping the biceps close to the ears. Stretch the whole body backwards. Breathe out, bend forward at the waist, keep your spine erect, bring your hands down. And now rest your palms on the floor. Push your right leg back, look up. Breathe in again, take the left leg back, your body in a straight line, perpendicular to the floor. Breathe in and raise your hands up. Breathe out, lift the hips and the tailbone up, chest downwards in the shape of a mountain. Breathe in, bring the right foot forward in between the two hands, left knee down on the floor. Now look up. Stretch back with your arms outstretched into the air as far back as possible. Now breathe out, straighten your body, bring the arms down and relax in this position. This is one half of the Surya Namaskar. If you do exactly the same thing with your right side instead of your left side, with your right leg going back, that completes a full set of Surya Namaskar. Ideally, you should be doing 12 to 20 sets in a day.
The credit for celebrating International Yoga Day goes to the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and United Nations General Assembly. On 27 September 2014, during a speech in United Nations General Assembly, Narendra Modi ji suggested to celebrate Yoga Day. Then, on 11 December 2014, United Nations General Assembly considered his suggestion and announced to celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21st. 21st June, as it is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere and shares a special significance in many parts of the world. Chakrasana. Benefits of Chakrasana. The chest and the lungs get more oxygen. It reduces the stress and tension in their body. This asana helps to strengthen the back and increases the elasticity of spine. Samakonasana. Benefits of Samakonasana. It is a great posture for a daily dose of revitalization. It helps to make muscles more flexible, helps in increase the blood circulation in the lower abdomen. Purna Bhujanga Asana. Benefits of Purna Bhujanga Asana. Stretches chest and lungs, shoulders and abdomen, stimulates abdominal organs, helps relieve stress and fatigue, opens the heart and the lungs. This year, the whole world will celebrate the 7th International Day of Yoga. Every year, we celebrate International Yoga Day according to a theme. So this year, the theme of International Yoga Day 2021 is Be with Yoga, be at home. This theme is declared by the Ministry of Ayush India.
Balasana or child's pose. Balasana is a gentle stretch for your back, hips, thighs and ankles, and it really helps relieve back pain. Rest your thighs on your heels and sit on your heels. Spread your knees as wide as your hips or your mat and keep the tops of your feet on the floor with your big toes touching. Inhale and raise your arms up, and exhale, bringing your body gently forward. Rest your belly between your thighs and root your forehead on the floor. Your hips should touch your ankles. If they don't, then stack your fists and rest your forehead on the fists. Relax your shoulders, jaw and eyes. Stay as long as you like and reconnect with your breath. Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana gives you a deep and powerful backward stretch to your spine as every vertebra is pulled back. This helps keep your spine flexible. Lie down on your abdomen and bring your feet together. Place your forehead on the floor and your hands underneath your shoulders, palms downwards. Your fingertips should be in line with the top of your shoulders and your elbows slightly raised off the ground and bent towards each other. Make sure your toes are outwards and not tucked in. Now inhale and raise your forehead and nose, brushing your chin against the ground. Push your chin forward and slowly roll the body up and back. Keep your abdomen on the ground. Don't hunch your shoulders. Make sure they're back and down away from your ears. In the beginning, you can hold this position for 10 seconds. Now inhale deeply and keep your head back. Exhale and slowly roll out of the cobra. You can rest your forehead on your palms and keep your feet apart with just the toes touching. Paschimottanasana, head to knee pose, provides a comprehensive stretch to the entire back of the body from your neck down to your heels. Now sit up, keeping your legs straight and the toes pointing back towards your body. Inhale and stretch both your arms up over your head. And as you exhale, bend forward using your hips and stretch, reaching for your toes. Keep the back as straight as possible and try to catch hold of your toes. If you can't hold your toes, then hold your ankle or the shins. Most important thing to remember is keep looking forward. Now inhale and stretch your arms back up. Exhale and bring your arms down. Padhastasana is a forward bending stretch. It's good for your spine as it makes it supple, the spine is lengthened, your hamstrings and other muscles on the back of your legs and lower body are also stretched. Stand straight with your feet together. Inhale and raise your arms over the head. Keep your arms straight and next to your ears. Exhale slowly as you stretch your body downwards, bending from the hips and keep your knees straight. Now catch hold of the back of the legs and bring the forehead in as close to the knees as possible. If this isn't comfortable for you, then you can leave your palms on the floor in line with your toes. Hold this for as long as comfortable and keep breathing. To come out of the position, inhale and stretch up until you return to the original standing positions with the arms stretched over your head. Exhale and bring your arms to the side. You can repeat this 3 to 4 times. Sarvangasana or the shoulder stand. This asana benefits the entire body. Lie flat on your back and bring your feet together. Inhale and bring your legs up to a right angle and lift the hips off the ground. Support the back with your hands. Straighten your body and walk your hands down the back until you're resting on your shoulders. Try to straighten the back as much as possible. Your toes should point upwards. Relax your calf muscles and keep the knees straight and feet together. Breathe deeply through your nose. Lower your feet and bring your hands flat on the floor behind the back. Push the hands into the floor and try to use them as a brake. Concentrate on keeping your head on the ground and slowly lower yourself out of the position, unrolling the body.
This year's theme shares a message that during COVID-19 people must stay home with family, should do yoga regularly. Yoga plays a significant role during the COVID-19 crisis because yoga helps in boosting our immunity level. Also, yoga helps us to build a strong physical, mental, and spiritual health system. Yoga also teaches us regulate our breath, which can make a person feel relaxed and at peace. On the occasion of International Yoga Day, let us promise that we ourselves will do yoga daily for some time and also inspire others to include yoga in their daily routine. व्यामत लब्धे शास्त्रम दीर्घायुषम वल सुख आरोग्यम परमा भाग्यम शास्त्र सर्वार्थ साधनम। अर्थात व्यायाम से स्वस्थ लंबी आयु, बल और सुख की प्राप्ति होती है। प्राणायाम is the practice of breath control in yoga. In modern yoga as exercise, it consists of synchronizing the breath with movements between asanas, but is also a distinct breathing exercise on its own, usually practiced after asanas. Pranayama is the ancient practice of controlling your breath. You control the timing, duration, and frequency of every breath and hold. The goal of the pranayama is to connect your body and mind. It also supplies your body with oxygen while removing toxins. This is meant to prove healing physiological benefits.
Anulom Vilom Pranayama is alternate breathing through the left and right nostrils. Sit in a meditative posture. Keep the spine straight and the head erect with eyes closed. Relax the body with a few deep breaths. Keep the left palm on the left knee in Jnana Mudra. The right hand should be in the Nasikagra Mudra. Place the right thumb on the right nostril. Breathe in from the left nostril. Close the left nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Next, inhale through the right nostril. Close the right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. This is one round of Nadi Shodhana or Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Repeat for another 5 rounds. For beginners, the duration of inhalation and exhalation should be equal. Gradually make it 1:2. Inhalation, exhalation. The breath should be slow, steady, and controlled. The main purpose of this pranayama is to purify the principal channels of energy. This nourishes the whole body. It induces tranquility, helps to improve concentration. It increases vitality and lowers the level of stress and anxiety. It also elevates cough disorders.
শ্রাবণী, আপনাদের জীবনসাথীর ছিলাম। আজকে ইন্টারন্যাশনাল যোগা ডে, তো সেই উপলক্ষে জুলিয়ান ডে স্কুল সুন্দর একটা উদ্যোগ নিয়ে প্রেজেন্টেশন করছে, তার একটা পাঠ হতে পেরে আমি সত্যি ভীষণ খুশি। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ জুলিয়ান ডে স্কুল কলকাতা। যোগাসন আমাদের শরীর মনকে নিয়ন্ত্রণ করতে সাহায্য করে, আমাদের মনের অবসন্ন ভাব, শরীরের জড়তা সমস্ত কিছু কাটাতে সাহায্য করে, আমাদের মনের রাগ, চঞ্চলতার মতো বিষয়গুলোকে নিয়ন্ত্রণ করতে সাহায্য করে। এখনকার দিনে আমরা যোগাসনকে শরীরচর্চার একমাত্র প্রাকৃতিক উপায় হিসেবে কিন্তু মনে করতে পারি। এর কয়েকটা কারণ আছে। কারণ যোগাসন একমাত্র প্রাকৃতিক উপায় যেটা আমাদের শরীরকে সম্পূর্ণভাবে গঠন করে এবং এটা সারা শরীর জুড়ে কাজ করে। আমরা যোগাসন যে কোনো জায়গায় যে কোনো অবস্থায় করতে পারি, তার জন্য কিন্তু কোনো নির্দিষ্ট সরঞ্জামের প্রয়োজন হয় না। আমাদের অতিরিক্ত ক্যালোরি কমাতে সাহায্য করে, ঘাড় ব্যথা, তারপরে শ্বাসকষ্টজনিত সমস্যা, হার্টের প্রবলেম, তো সমস্ত কিছু নিয়ন্ত্রণ করতে সাহায্য করে। নিজেকে অনেকটা পজিটিভ রাখতে পারি, নিজেকে ভেতর থেকে অনেকটা ইমিউন করতে পারি, আমাদের ইমিউনিটি গ্রো করতে কিন্তু সাহায্য করে যোগাসন। আমরা চাইবো আমরা যেন প্রত্যেকে আমাদের দৈনন্দিন জীবনে যোগাসনকে একটা অঙ্গ হিসেবে গড়ে তুলতে পারি এবং প্রতিদিন আমরা একটু সময় বের করে যাতে যোগাসন অভ্যাস করি, তাতে আমাদের শরীর ও মন দুটোই কিন্তু ভালো থাকবে। আমরা আগামী দিনে একটা সুন্দর স্বাভাবিক জীবন কিন্তু পেতে পারি। তো তোমরা সকলে ভালো থেকো ও আশা করি এই পরিস্থিতি আমরা কাটিয়ে উঠতে পারবো। তোমরা প্রত্যেকে সুস্থ থাকবে, তোমাদের ভবিষ্যতের সুন্দর ভবিষ্যতের জন্য আমি আমার শুভকামনা রইল। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
নমস্কার, আমি কলিনিকা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। যোগা আমাদের ইন্ডিয়ার এমন একটা ওল্ড স্কুল অফ ডিসিপ্লিন যার মধ্যে ব্রিদিং টেকনিক্স ইউজ হয়, এক্সারসাইজ ইউজ হয় এবং মেডিটেশনও ইউজ হয়। স্পেশালি আমরা যে সিচুয়েশনের মধ্যে দিয়ে এই মুহূর্তে যাচ্ছি, যোগা ইজ ভেরি এসেন্সিয়াল। আমি এই কারণে বলবো কারণ যোগা স্ট্রেংথ বাড়ায়, ফ্লেক্সিবিলিটি বাড়ায়, আর তার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে হেলথ আর হ্যাপিনেসেরও খেয়াল রাখে। তাই আমি বলবো বাড়িতে থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন, যোগা প্র্যাকটিস করুন। হ্যাঁ, আমিও করি এবং একটা সময় প্রচুর পরিমাণে করতাম, এখনও করি, আর একবার করলে এটা আপনার সঙ্গ কোনোদিনও ছাড়বে না। জুলিয়ান ডে স্কুলের সমস্ত ম্যানেজমেন্টের কর্তৃপক্ষকে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাবো যে ওরা এই ইনিশিয়েটিভটা নিয়েছে। ওয়ার্ল্ড যোগা ডে সম্পর্কে সমস্ত স্টুডেন্টসদের জানাচ্ছে ওরা এবং এর বেনিফিটস কি জানাচ্ছে। তাই অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানাই আপনাদের। ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন আর যোগা করবেন।
I would like to take this opportunity to thank our managing trustee, our chairman sir, our principal ma'am Colin ma'am, our coordinator sir Stanley sir, our vice principal Troy sir, Debashish sir, all teachers, students and parents. And last but not the least, the guests who have taken out time for making this video more beautiful and meaningful. Thank you, Colin ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to showcase such an important part of our health regime. That is yoga, which we should all follow regularly. Thank you, my dear students, for your enthusiasm to be part of this Yoga Day presentation for our own school, Julian Day, Kolkata branch.